The following steps are easy but important to ensure the proper operation of the SLUG Pro. Step 1. Disconnect the airline source or close the airline ball valve. Step 2. Close all 4 chemical ball valves. Step 3. Disconnect the air purge line at the dispensing head. Step 4. Remove the 4 bolts from the T-cap with a 3/16" hex key and set the bolts aside for reassembly. Then remove the T-cap. Step 5. Remove the disposable mix cartridge assembly. Use a 1/8" hex key to turn the 2 extraction screws clockwise to eject the disposable mix cartridge. Once loosened, fully remove and dispose of the mix cartridge. Then retract the extraction screws to the beginning flush position. It is important to return the screws to the original position at or below the U-frame receiver. Failure to do so could result in damage to the new mix cartridge. Step 6. Remove the old grease and debris from the receiver. There is no need to use a spray cleaner. Once the old grease is removed, apply fresh Vaseline or lithium grease to the walls of the U-frame receiver. Step 7. Inspect the 3 new O-rings to assure they're not damaged. Then, seat them into the new cartridge while lubricating each one with Vaseline or lithium grease. Step 8. Insert the new cartridge into the receiver. Align the cartridge so that the small O-ring is on top and the guide hole for the corresponding receiver guide pin is on the bottom. Once the cartridge is properly aligned, press firmly into place. Make sure the cartridge is flush with the bottom of the receiver. Step 9. Reinstall the T-cap with the 4 bolts. Then reattach the airline. Step 10. Grease the SLUG Pro through the grease port. Pump in grease until it flows from the weep hole underneath the U-frame receiver. The SLUG Pro is now ready for quality control.